I'm obsessed with chicken skewers at the moment, and this is my recipe for garlic Parmesan chicken skewers made with chicken tenders, but you can use any other meat, chicken breast, chicken thighs, whichever you prefer. The chicken is seasoned with a little bit of onion and garlic powder, salt, pepper, paprika, olive oil. Then you shred it onto bamboo skewers. I recommend to soak them in some water first. And we are actually going to bake the skewers. You could pan fry or grill if you like, but I wanted to show you the baked version. And while the skewers are baking, we're going to make these super simple, but oh my God, so delicious. There's garlic butter sauce with a little bit of lemon, which once the chicken is pre-baked, almost done, you're going to smother it with this garlic butter sauce and finish it with some grated Parmesan cheese on both sides. Then we're going to pop it back under the broil or grill in the oven until the cheese has melted into the skewers. And let me tell you, these are so flavorful, garlicky, buttery, cheesy, umami packed. You can make them as an appetizer, as part of your meal prep for the week, or as your main protein for dinner. I highly recommend them. Enjoy.